In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the shipping confirmation email template in Shopify. This process is crucial if you're looking to tailor your communications and enhance your customer's experience with a personal touch. Let's dive in and make your customer interactions even smoother. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage all the crucial aspects of your online store, from inventory to orders and everything in between. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and you'll see the settings icon. It's shaped like a gear, symbolizing configurations and adjustments, so go ahead and click on that. With the settings now open, you'll notice a variety of options displayed on your screen. What we want to focus on are your notifications. These are the various messages and emails that your store sends out automatically for different events. You'll find notifications listed on the left sidebar, so just give that a click. Next, you'll find yourself looking at a list of all your customer notifications. These are the templates for different messages your customers receive, like order confirmations, shipping notifications, and more. Right now, our target is the shipping confirmation email, so let's locate and click on shipping confirmation. Once you're in, you'll want to edit the code of this email template. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert. It's much more straightforward than it sounds. Simply click on Edit Code to access the template's HTML and liquid code. Here, you can customize the email content to better fit your brand's voice or include additional information that your customers might find useful. As you make your edits, remember to save your changes. This is simple. Just look at the top of the screen for the Save button and give it a click. This ensures that all your customizations are stored and will be applied to future emails automatically sent to your customers once they receive their shipping confirmation. And that's it. By taking these steps, you've successfully customized the shipping confirmation email to better suit your brand and communicate effectively with your customers. Customizing email templates is a great way to ensure consistency in your branding and to provide your shoppers with a pleasant experience that keeps them coming back. Thank you for watching and happy editing.